We all know that the postpartum period can be a challenging time for many mothers, both physically and emotionally. Your body has been through a lot, and it's important to nourish and support it in the best way possible. So, let's dive into the top foods that can help you on your postpartum journey. 1. Salmon. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for brain development in newborns and can help combat postpartum depression. Plus, it's a great source of protein and essential nutrients. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're rich in iron, which can help restore your energy levels after giving birth. Iron is vital, especially if you experienced blood loss during delivery. 3. Oats. Oats are another superfood for new moms. They're a fantastic source of fiber and can help regulate digestion, which can be a bit wonky postpartum. Oats are also known for their milk-boosting properties, which can be a lifesaver for breastfeeding moms. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, which are excellent for gut health. A healthy gut can lead to a healthier mind, and it's particularly essential when dealing with postpartum mood swings and anxiety. 5. Berries. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are rich in antioxidants. They can help your body recover from childbirth by reducing inflammation and aiding in tissue repair. Plus, they're a delicious and easy snack. 6. Lean proteins. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and lean beef are essential for postpartum recovery. They provide a good dose of high-quality protein that your body needs for tissue repair and overall healing. So, there you have it. Some of the best foods to include in your postpartum diet. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content to support your journey through motherhood.